Alright, let's go and get everybody in here. All three of you and the airplane. Camera skills aren't the greatest here. I'm working on it.
Good? What's that?
Here we go. Okay. Oh shoot, I can't see it on here.
That almost went down.
I'm not really sure where I'm at here. Okay, there we go. Right behind you, Jay.
Yep.
Okay.
See it.
Don't do it then. It's fine. Don't. Just leave it.
Oh, nope.
Nope, next time. Wow. Nice job. Oh, I thought I was zoomed in and I wasn't.
Look at Matt. Matt.
He's happy with the clam. Bless you.
Don't do that. He's not like this.
He's picking on you. I got the collar on. Jakey's okay. Got a bird on the front of that. That's what it looks like from here.
A bird?
Oh, it's the stuff on the front, but it looks like a bird. There you go. Wouldn't that be cool?